Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error code FHD01 out of video memory crash error. So if you're getting this, Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error. Forza Horizon 6 has terminated unexpectedly due to an error, and the error is out of video memory and the error code is FHD01. So if you're getting this out of video memory or error code FHD01 in Forza Horizon 6 game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to verify the game files. So if you have the game on Steam, open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I'm showing with another game. You have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been completed, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have the game on Xbox app, so open Xbox app, then select the Forza Horizon 6 and then click on this three dot next to the Forza Horizon 6. This is just an example, and then click on manage, then go to the files tab and then click on verify and repair. And after the repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. Now before performing the clean installation of graphic card driver, you can also update your graphic card driver to latest version and then check. If that doesn't work, then you can perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver first. So go to this NVIDIA website. Now once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Scroll down. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option, then hit on next and then tick mark perform a clean installation box. Don't forget to tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Now if you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website, and once you're on the AMD website, scroll down, select graphics, select product family, select product line, select product model. Now you have to enter your graphic card driver version details over here. This is just an example, and then click on submit. If you are a Windows 11 user, expand Windows 11, and whatever is the latest version, the current latest version is 26.5.2. so whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, you have to run it and install it. And after updating your AMD graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 3 is to increase the virtual memory. So in Windows search, type view advanced systems settings and then open it. Now under advanced tab and under performance, click on settings, then go to the advanced tab and then click on change. Then untick this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Just uncheck it and then select the drive in which you have installed the game. So if you have installed the game on C drive, then select C drive and then select custom size option. Now in the initial size in the MB and in maximum size in MB, you have to enter the value over here. So you have to enter the 1.5 times of total RAM in initial size and 3 times of total RAM in maximum size. So to check the total RAM, go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, click on about, and here you can see the installed RAM. My PC RAM is 16 GB. So you can check what is your installed RAM. Now open the calculator app. Now if your PC has 16 GB, so my PC has 16 GB, so 16 into 1024. We have to first convert the GB into MB and then multiply by 1.5. So multiply by 1.5. So the initial size will be 24576 and maximum size should be, so 16 GB into 1024 MB into 3 times. So the maximum size will be 49152. And then click on set. Don't forget to click on set. Now if you find any kind of issue, you can always revert it back. So click on set. Don't forget to click on set and then click on OK. Then OK. Then OK. And then you can restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And before launching the Forza Horizon 6, disconnect the controller. And once the game get launched, then you can connect your wired controller. It is recommended. If you have wired controller, then connect wired controller, or you can also connect wireless controller and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then again go to View Advanced System Settings, open it, go to the Advanced, go to Settings, again go to Advanced tab, click on Change, select System Managed Size and then click on Set. Don't forget to click on Set, then click on OK. You will get this type of pop-up. It will say you to restart your computer. So click on OK, again click on OK, OK, and then you will see restart now. So just restart your PC. And again after restarting your PC, follow this note and then check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to View Advanced System Settings. We will revert the changes. Go to Settings, go to Advanced, go to Change, and then select this option, Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, and then click on OK, OK, OK. That's it. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix for is to close background applications. So before launching Forza Horizon 6, close any unnecessary background apps that consume RAM or VRAM, such as web browser, Chrome Edge, Discord overlay, streaming software, or recording tools like GeForce Experience or OBS. You can also close the unnecessary programs such as Riva Tuner, MSI Afterburner. So close all the background applications that are not required, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows, just type graphic settings and open it. Then click on Add Desktop App and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Forza Horizon 6 game folder if you have installed the game on Steam. And then select this Forza Horizon 6 game exe file and then click on Add. And after adding it, look for it in the list and expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can relaunch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 out of video memory crash error, and the error code is FHD01. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.